Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart phone without power button. So let's get started by swiping your phone down like this one. So once you are in here, swipe it once more and then you'll be able to see this option wherein you can, or that switch on the upper part next to the gear icon. Once you tap that, you'll be able to see these three options that you can turn that off or restart. So tap restart to restart your device. So another thing is that we can actually go to our settings and tap for wait, this one. So all you have to do is to look for the additional settings on your phone, tap accessibility, and then in here you can tap on the accessibility menu and turn that on. So the service will perform right away once you turn this on, and it will reflect on your screen or on your home screen. So let's go back and you'll be able to see this down below here, the human or the body icon. Once you tap that, you'll be able to see a lot of options here like the Google Assistant, accessibility settings, and more. And the most important thing here that we have this power button, just tap on it for you to see the options that you can reboot your device. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.